by alphonic.com.
All right, Ryan here. Silly reviews. This might help some of you out when I run into weird little problems, have a little bit of difficulty finding solutions. I like to make these kinds of videos. So check this out. I was trying to set up the WordPress app on a phone that I have that it wasn't installed on, and it couldn't connect to Silly Reviews. Kept getting a 403 error with the XML-RPC.php file. First thing I thought to do was check the permissions on it. Typically, you want your permissions for the XML-RPC.php file to be at 644 or 0644. That was okay. I know that my host doesn't automatically block those files because I have a bunch of different blogs and video sites, and it's a non-issue. I can manage them with the WordPress app on my phone. So what I did was determine that it's probably a plugin, and on Silly Reviews, I do need to do some updating and tidying up, but I have approximately 40 plugins. So that's 40 chances for something to be blocking it. I have security plugins and IP blocking, geofences and things to keep attacks and spam out and stuff like that. So what you do, it could go faster than you think. Get an XML-RPC checker loaded up. So this one is xmlrpc.checker.com. Put your website in, turn off all of your plugins so they go into the recently active. And I already did my work and finished here, but I would have none active. Everything would be inactive. And then what I would do is alphabetical order. I would hit 3 of these. I go 3 at a time to speed things up. 3 at a time, activate them, come here, hit check, and then see what it says. So right now it says that it appears to be disabled or inaccessible. So once you get this error, you know of the most recent 3 plugins that you activated. One of them is blocking access to the XML-RPC file, which is critical when you want to do remote blogging, allow third-party tools to blog for you or whatever you have going on with your site. So I'll show you my culprit was, and it's still active, which is why this is showing that it's inaccessible. So my culprit is a plugin called IP Geolock. I installed that ages ago. I guess it works. It has tons of features. It doesn't cost anything. But what happened was, man, it might have been 5 years ago is what I recall. My site, for some reason, kept getting attacked. I forget what that kind of attack is called, but where nobody else can pull up your site. And this is back when this site was getting a lot of traffic. I miss those days, but if we go into settings on this, I figured I could find an XML-RPC setting on here and disable it or lax the security on it. And I did find that. If I scroll down, see, I have this XML-RPC feature right here, and it's blocking by country. I can't figure out where the country list is coming from. The only thing I can imagine is it is a tie-in with some of the plugins that this plugin uses to filter out countries and IP addresses. It's pulling from some type of database like your ad blocker kind of would. So then I just put it to disable, right? So I was thinking, okay, well, I want this feature, this plugin, this IP Geolock plugin, but we're just going to turn off this one feature. I want all the other features because apparently I guess it's doing something good because the site hasn't experienced downtime in years. So I turned it to disable, and then I hit save changes, and it says I can't do that. Request cannot be accepted. So that's not going to work. So I don't know what to do from here. Maybe this plugin isn't necessary at all. So how about we just disable it? So watch this. We're going to go back to our plugins, and we're going to disable this one. Go to active, disable the IP Geolock, deactivate, boom. Okay. And if you have any caching, I don't know how to pronounce that, apps, you may or may not need to refresh those or dump those. I do have one, but it's not interfering, with progress here. So watch, when I hit check again, it's going to tell me that it's accessible. See, last time with that geo plugin on, we got this disabled or inaccessible. And it's weird that they use green and a check mark when it's a bad thing, unless this website thinks it's a good thing to disable it, which some people do. But anyway, we're going to check. Boom. Now it's enabled. And you see how now it's like an X and it's like a bad thing. So this website is definitely biased, but it's a great tool. Maybe I'll link to that in the description, but I figured out my issue and now I can post from my phone using the WordPress app because that file is no longer being restricted. And I may go back and deep dive on that IP Geolock, but for now we're just going to leave that off, and I'm going to proceed to do some updates and do some remote blogging now that I can. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you know any tips or tricks, if you know about this IP Geolock app and you can help me get it back on, but not have it blocking that XML-RPC file, that'd be awesome. So thanks for watching. Hope it helped. That's the end. Ryan here.
Selling reviews. Selling reviews.